Wait, what if the biggest mistake someone could ever make was underestimating your value? Not cheating, not leaving, not ignoring your messages, but believing they could lose you and still live the exact same life afterward. Because most people misunderstand revenge. They think power comes from proving a point, showing off, making someone jealous, winning attention back. But real power is quieter than that. It's waking up one day and realizing you no longer need validation from the people who failed to appreciate you. And strangely, that's the exact moment everything changes. Because when you stop chasing, stop explaining, and stop trying to force people to see your worth, your energy changes completely, and suddenly, the person who ignored your value starts feeling your absence everywhere. Have you ever felt someone slowly becoming distant from you? The texts get shorter, the energy changes, and suddenly, you feel replaceable. That's when self-doubt begins. You start wondering if you were ever truly enough. But chasing people for validation never creates regret. Real regret begins when your silence, growth, and absence become impossible to ignore. And once you understand this psychological shift, people start feeling your absence without you saying a word. Human psychology is strange. Most people don't recognize true value while it's constantly available to them. Think about it. People ignore their health until their body starts failing. Ignore time until years disappear. And ignore loyal people until those people are finally gone. That's why being too available can quietly destroy how people perceive your value. Because when someone becomes completely certain you'll always stay, they stop fearing your absence. And the moment there's no fear of losing you, your presence slowly becomes normal instead of meaningful. This is why chasing rarely creates respect. Over-explaining rarely creates attraction. And begging for attention almost never creates importance. In fact, the harder you try to force someone to value you, the less emotional impact you often have. Because emotionally, people are affected by what feels limited, not what feels permanently guaranteed. Psychologists sometimes call this emotional certainty. When people feel they can return to you whenever they want, they unconsciously stop appreciating your emotional presence. Not because you lack worth, but because human beings naturally adapt to constant access. And sadly, this is where most people destroy themselves emotionally. Instead of healing, they perform. They post fake happiness online, pretend to move on, try to trigger jealousy, force attention, force reactions. But deep down, their emotions are still controlled by the person they lost. And people can feel that energy instantly, because real confidence doesn't beg to be noticed. Real confidence quietly moves forward. Here's the secret most people discover too late. People don't truly regret losing you when you chase them. They regret losing you when they suddenly feel the emptiness your energy used to fill. Not because you begged for attention, not because you tried to prove your worth, not because you fought to stay in their life, but because one day, your absence becomes impossible to ignore. And that only happens when you stop making them the center of your world. See, after someone leaves, your brain enters emotional survival mode. You replay old memories at night, overanalyze every message, check their social media hoping to feel something, search for hidden meaning in silence, and without realizing it, you slowly lose yourself trying to understand them. But the people who become unforgettable move differently. Instead of obsessing over, how do I make them come back? They start asking, how do I become stronger because they left? That question changes everything, because energy is powerful. When you redirect pain into discipline, growth, focus, and self-respect, your entire presence changes, and people feel that shift instantly. Suddenly, the person who thought they could replace you easily starts wondering why life feels colder without you in it. Because real confidence is built quietly, not through attention, but through transformation nobody saw coming. So what actually makes people regret losing you? Not revenge, not showing off, not pretending you never cared. Real regret is triggered psychologically. Through energy shifts people can feel but can't fully explain. First, emotional detachment. The moment you stop reacting to every message, every post, every little disappointment, people notice immediately, because silence is powerful. Silence creates mystery. and mystery forces the human mind to think. When people no longer have unlimited access to your emotions, their curiosity grows stronger. Suddenly they start wondering, why are they so calm now? Why don't they react anymore? Did they finally move on? That emotional uncertainty creates impact, not because you became cold, but because you stopped allowing emotions to control your behavior. Second, quiet self-improvement. One of the most attractive things a person can do is grow in silence. No fake motivation, no attention seeking, no desperate need to prove anything, just discipline, improving your body, sharpening your mindset, building confidence, protecting your peace. And eventually, people compare the version of you they once had to the stronger version they no longer have access to. That comparison creates natural regret. And finally, the most powerful one of all, happiness without their validation. The moment someone realizes your happiness no longer depends on their attention, their entire perception changes. Because emotional independence is rare. Most people depend on constant reassurance to feel valuable. But when someone sees you smiling, evolving, and living peacefully without needing their approval, they start asking themselves a dangerous question: did I lose someone truly rare? Here's the painful truth most people learn too late. The more desperately you chase someone, the less valuable you appear in their eyes. Because desperation changes your energy. People can instantly feel when your happiness depends on their texts, attention, or approval. And psychologically, that removes emotional tension. There's no mystery, no uncertainty, no fear of losing you. But the moment you emotionally let go, everything shifts. You stop forcing conversations, stop over-explaining yourself, stop trying to control how someone feels about you, and suddenly, your absence becomes noticeable. Not because you played mind games, but because your attention is no longer constantly available, and attention is powerful. In fact, most people don't understand the true value of someone's presence until they no longer have unlimited access to it. That's when silence becomes louder than words, and that's often the exact moment regret quietly begins. Want to know the most powerful thing you can do after someone loses you? Choose peace. Not revenge, not bitterness, not fake confidence designed to get attention, real peace. Because peace is emotional power. It silently tells the world, I survived something that was supposed to destroy me. And that energy is unforgettable. See, anyone can react emotionally. Anyone can send angry messages. Anyone can beg for another chance. But very few people can quietly rebuild themselves after heartbreak. That's what makes it powerful. Because rare people don't collapse permanently from pain. They transform through it. And sometimes, the people who hurt you expect exactly the opposite. They expect emotional chaos, desperation, constant reactions. But when they instead see discipline, growth, self-control, and emotional stability, it creates psychological confusion in their mind. Their brain starts questioning the story they once believed about you. Suddenly, the person they thought would break apart is becoming stronger without them, and that realization hits deeply. Because nothing creates more regret than watching someone you underestimated evolve into a version you no longer have access to. That's when silence becomes powerful. That's when your growth becomes unforgettable. And that's often the exact moment regret quietly begins inside them. But here's the final truth most people never hear. You should never make being missed your life goal. Because if your healing depends on someone regretting losing you, then emotionally, they still control your peace. Real strength begins the moment you stop needing validation, apologies, or closure from people who failed to value you correctly. And that changes everything. Because sometimes people regret losing you, and sometimes they never do. But either way, your future still exists, your growth still matters, and your life still moves forward. That's real freedom. Honestly, the strongest people in the world aren't the ones who never get hurt. They're the ones who continue becoming better without letting pain define their identity. And the biggest flex in life is reaching a point where your happiness no longer depends on who stayed, who left, or who failed to recognize your worth. Because once your peace stops depending on other people, you become emotionally unstoppable. So if someone walked away from you, don't waste your life begging to be valued. Instead, become stronger, calmer, and more emotionally grounded than ever before. Build a life filled with peace, discipline, and self-respect. Because people rarely regret losing someone who chased them. They regret losing the person who finally discovered their own worth. And ironically, the moment you stop needing their validation is usually the exact moment they finally realize your true value.